Guys, welcome back. I'm Akash and I'm welcoming you on this new session. So in this particular session, we are going to see the actual roadmap for the data science team who are willing to work in the data science team if anybody want to switch it from their professional to data science team. Okay. So to get ready, job ready, or to get enough expertise in this particular domain, what all things you need to learn to get complete idea of this domain and get almost expert in this particular domain. So those are some topics you have to be very expert in. Let me take you to the journey where what all things you need to get ready and how I'm going to help you in your journey. Okay. So let's get started with the very first what you need to learn for this data science complete syllabus. Usually people say if you're learning about data science, statistics is enough for the mathematics part. But I expect you should also know the linear algebra and also discrete mathematics. With this linear algebra and discrete mathematics, you also need to know the probability. Then only you will be good enough in mathematics or applied mathematics in the data science team. Okay, so what my first conclusion is, instead of data science statistics, you must need to know the linear algebra and discrete mathematics as well with statistics. Yes, definitely statistics is a major part, but all these things are need to know in the mathematical part in the data science. Okay, so these three has to be there. I am going to teach you everything in detail, one by one subject. It may take some longer time, but definitely we are going to see some of the standard mathematics. Those are must required in data science team altogether to get some good expertise. Okay, what we have next, what all programming languages we need? We need Java, Python, and R programming language. I am going to teach you all of them, but any one of it is enough for to deliver the requirement. Okay, so this is there. Apart from this, this is about programming language, this is about maths. If you see about databases, we are about to learn in this particular course about the DMS, that is database management system, big data as a Hadoop. And we may learn the RDBMS, that is SQL or Oracle or SQL Server. Okay, among this I'm going to teach you all of three, but you need to know at least one out of it. All right, this is about the databases in data science team. Apart from this, till this what you have, those are manual work, you can handle it by your way. Then moving further, what all visual learning you need to know to execute any model. Then we have deep learning. In deep learning, we also have computer vision, text processing, and NLP, that is natural language processing. Okay, this all going to we are going to learn. So this all together is mostly used in computer vision and text processing and NLP part. So if you know the data deep learning, you have to know the computer vision as well. If you know the computer vision, you must know the process of deep learning. Okay, all right, what next we have, the next we are going to cover, that is machine learning. With machine learning model design, we are also going to see the time series and forecasting. The end product of this complete analysis is creating the forecasts. Okay, what is the output of this complete analysis and study should be the forecast. Okay, and that time series is nothing but how that forecast will change with respect to time. So that modeling, the considering that time series modeling in the your updating models or model design, that is nothing but time series. And the final output of our AI and data science is nothing but forecast. So by applying all this technology, what we have to do is we have to create the forecast. Okay, all right, now I have data. Till this time I have the raw data which have some results, right? I wanted to I wanted to present that data in form of some visualization. So if I wanted to show that data, if I wanted to show that prediction or forecast to someone, so the people can able to understand that forecast. So for that purpose, what I have to do is I need to convert that forecast, that is values, into representable form. How I can do that? I can do it by using Tableau, Power BI, Advanced Excel, and direct export as well. Direct export, that means you can export it to directly into the any websites. For example, in a website you are creating it by any technology, right? You can use it by any technology. So whatever data we have, we can directly export it to the website, and then you can use it in the website as a representable data format. All right. So we are going to learn all of them, but what is needed is you need to know at least one out of this. What I say, at least one out of you don't need to investigate, or you don't need to spend your time to learn everything. If you are have good interest in this particular domain, or in particular topic, you can explore definitely all of them, but that is not much really required. All right. So this is about the presentable format. Then we have some part of data analytics, where we are cleaning the data. Okay. So this is all about the creating the models, predictions, and updating it to the database, getting and represent it to the customers. This is all about the prediction part. Now the next part we have is how you can handle the data in form of analytics, data wrangling, data warehouse. Or data warehouse, it is part of data mining only. So data wrangling and data mining, those are important for converting the raw data into the meaningful data. All right. This also we are going to complete in our sessions, upcoming sessions. Then we have SPM, handling that software project management, how you can manage the software complete development, or how many models we can have, how many ways we can handle that development pattern. These all things we are going to see in this particular topic. Okay. Then we will going to see the project, real-time project. I come across one of the model where I created the prediction for the some of the stock values, that is equity stock market prediction module, where I personally investigate and done some analysis and create the model where you guys need to, there are some rules you need to follow, and then you will be in that zone where you can create and predict the graph of upcoming time or upcoming stock values. And there are definitely some laws, but that we will going to see in later part. So projects we will be handling around at least around 10 to 15 project. Okay. Which all domains, see, in data science it is very important you to have expertise in any of the domain. Okay. So in this particular domain, as per my analysis, I am going to tell you or teach you the domain that is I have very good expertise in, that is banking and finance. Second we have that is aerospace. Okay. Third one we have that is manufacturing. Okay. So banking and finance are the core one, where where I do have very good expertise, and I'm going to teach you all of them in quite detailed way. So I hope this all things you will be completing with me in my journey. So this is all about the data science team as a whole, where we are going to cover all syllabus. Even though you are graduate student, you able to see those are your direct subject in your academic, like linear algebra is direct subject, discrete mathematics is direct subject. Even though you are academic student, or you are working professional, or anyone, if you are managed to complete everything, if you are managed to cover everything with me in this particular season, then definitely it will be help you. I also have some very good modules there. I in probably coming duration, I will also share that with you, or we can develop it together. All right. So thank you so much. Keep in touch in this journey. Thanks for your time. Have a good day ahead, and see you in next session. Thank you.